Alright guys, so today we've got in store a pretty awesome carburetor build. I wanted to do something special with this carb, so we're going to go ahead and powder coat it. We're going to make it nice and bright and see what that looks like. So what I have here is my completely disassembled carburetor. The exterior has already been sandblasted to prep for the powder coating. For powder coating, I have here a Sparks blue. It's a really bright metallic blue that I'm going to use on the carburetor body. I'm going to mix that up with some rodeo red, get a nice purple color going, and we'll throw that on the float bowl and the cap. I have here the JD Jet high performance jet kit, all balls carburetor rebuild kit, and an OEM spring for the air adjustment screw, which I now realize actually came inside the rebuild kit. So I'm gonna use the OEM, but yeah, so let's go ahead and clean up this carburetor. We'll get it masked off, we'll coat it, cure it, and then we'll go ahead and rebuild this carburetor, get it jetted to a ballpark setting for the setup that I'm gonna have on this bike, and then the precision jetting will come later once the bike is assembled and running. So I'm super excited for this. I don't want to waste any more time. I really hope you guys enjoy the content. Let's get started. So this carburetor body is extremely saturated with sandblasting residue. So we're just going to take extra care and some extra steps to make sure that all of this is out. So the last thing we're going to do here is I have some hot water here, and I'm just going to drop the carburetor in and agitate it to loosen up any remaining sandblasting dust. So very thoroughly cleaned carburetor body here with acetone and carb cleaner. Last thing we're going to do is give it a pre-bake to evaporate any moisture and burn off any oil that's left. This carburetor is all cleaned up. Time to rebuild it. It's nicely powder coated. It's blue. This thing is purple. Voila. Gonna clean these parts. Got this all balls performance jetting JD high performance jet kit. All the stock internals for this piece of shit. Got a cap. Necessary tools. Let's do this.